At times what you will see is the date is converted into a number. So like these all are actually dates, but they are looking like numbers. So how to resolve them into a date? So there are two ways. One way is to just select the cells and then go to format cells and then select date, and then you will see different kind of formats, and you can pick any of these formats, and accordingly the number will be converted into a date. So this is one of the ways of achieving this. What is the other way? Suppose you want to convert this number into a date within a function. In that case your format cells won't work. So what will work is you have to use the the function text bracket starts, then the cell, and then comma, then inverted commas, and then let's say dd slash slash yyyy, and then inverted commas and then bracket close. So in this case we are able to see that the number is converted into the date format that we have defined. So what would be the other way? Let's say we want the date to be in the mmddyyy format. So just type equals to, then text, then bracket starts, then the number, then comma, and then inverted comma, then slash dd slash ff, sorry, yy, and then inverted comma, and then inverted comma, and then bracket close, and then we are able to see that okay, these are in the required format. What would be the other way? Let's say we just want the month and the year. So equals to text bracket starts, the cell, comma, inverted comma starts, slash yyyy, and then inverted comma, and then bracket closes, and then we are having that in this format. So these are different approaches of converting a number into a date in Microsoft Excel.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.